Welcome to the place where ideas glow, dreams ignite and brilliance shows. Canvas blank to master's hue, Design Institute. It starts with you. Blueprints scrawled, visions unwind, crafting the future through heart and mind. Symphonies of shapes, bold and true. Design Institute. It starts with you. Design Institute, where dreams take flight, turning shadows into light. Innovation sparks in all we do. Design Institute. It starts with you. Minds collide with endless scope, building bridges on beams of hope. Fingers mold what thoughts pursue. Design Institute. It starts with you. Every corner, a story thrives. Ideas bloom like bees in hives. From whispers loud to grand debut. Design Institute. It starts with you. Design Institute, where dreams take flight, turning shadows into light. Innovation sparks in all we do. Design Institute. It starts with you.